perfectly cooked sausages, lovely crispy bacon in the air fryer. So I always use one of these kind of takeaway containers, you know, aluminium foil or tin foil kind of things. That fits just perfectly into my air fryer. You don't have to do this. You can put them straight in your air fryer. I just do it because it's just kind of a bit more convenient. Also keeps the fryer a bit sort of cleaner, really. Anyway, look, I've got there 12 small size sausages. They are pork chipolata. Very simply, we're going to get some oil, not a lot, just a bit of oil over there. We're going to pop them in the air fryer at 180 for 15 minutes, but I'm going to come back to you halfway through, about 7 minutes. Okay, so that's like 7.5 minutes. You can see they're looking pretty good. I've just sort of flipped them over. Hey, look, we've got some bacon here. Now I've got a thick cut fatty bacon here. You can use any bacon you want. I'm going to get that in on the top there. I'm going to layer it up a little bit, and then we're going to go back in at 180 again for the remaining 7.5 to 8 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Look at that. Perfect sausage and bacon. Yeah, that does look really lovely. Now, what I find and like using this is that as we've cooked that bacon through, the fat has gone onto those sausages and it's kept them nice and moist, because I've tried it before just in the fryer or just in the basket, and they can get a little bit dry. But anyway, look at that. Fantastic. So there you go. Look at that. They're perfect, those sausages. Let me get one, bite one. Lovely. Beautiful colour all around. Nice crispy bacon. Loving my air fryer. Loving my air fryer. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.